So it has been a while since I do an unboxing video of new G-Shock. Here we have the new carbon core series GA-2000. I've ordered and pre-ordered the red and black one, so here is the red one. This is not the model that I ordered. The model that I ordered should be the GA-2100 game changer. So let's see if it comes in the box correctly or this is a wrong box. Watch, but in the warranty card it mentions GA-2100. Okay, luckily it's the correct watch. Just the wrong box seems. So without tag, this is the GA-2100-4 red out colorway. It is one of the new series, the carbon core guard series, where the middle part is resin infused with carbon fiber or carbon reinforced resin. It comes with a 5611 module, just a basic watch with a new design. Looks like the AP but a lot more affordable. So let's close up to the watch and see what function it has. So it has world time feature, stopwatch, countdown timer, alarm, and back to standard time. The light illuminates the back LED and some portion of the screen. So here I have a few models to compare. Here we have the GA-2000 and the GA-2100 besides each other. This is the carbon core series as well, where it is a carbon reinforced resin middle part. The front is still resin and the back is still resin, and next to it is the square model GA-2100, the base of the design of the GWM5610, and this is the Bluetooth series, similar to this one but comes with the Bluetooth feature.